No, I think we covered a lot of the big topics we were hoping to talk about. One thing I guess we can touch on is this year, something new that KidSex is rolling out is the clinical advisory board. So that's something that pediatricians can definitely get involved in a lot more. It's something we haven't done as structurally in the past, but it's a way for clinical leaders to be able to provide direct feedback and work with these startups from their perspective. Obviously, it's their workflow ultimately that may be disrupted by the startups. And so we want to make sure there's an active touch point happening between the two sides. So I think that's more of a call to action. If pediatricians want to get involved from that perspective, feel free to reach out to me. But that's something I'm personally really excited to roll out this year and have as an offering for not only pediatricians who are looking to get more involved in the innovation space, but also for these startups to make sure they're working with the right folks and getting that really important perspective that they need.